Well, as the event unfolds, a truly giant political philosopher, that is Dr. Otto, has also had his say on certain things which are happening, people crossing from position to NRM and also vice versa. But the other side is a few. Oceng Geoffrey Osborne said early on, and his post is the one that attracted the reaction from Dr. Otto. Oceng Geoffrey Osborne said the President of the Republic of Uganda, who is also the chairman of the National Resistance Movement Party, yesterday received Honorable Micheal Lakony, the district chairman Alur, to NRM party during the PDM rally in Leptong district. NRM is a mass party, therefore everyone is welcomed, and my brother Micheal Lakony thanks for the joining the big house. Congratulations. And also Odonga reacted to this thing, saying Kagota Museveni, the rate at which opposition is crossing to the NRM party is not healthy for our democracy. It's like we are going back to the movement system of governance that we voted against the 2006 referendum. We need a strong opposition in parliament. And also made a copy to Todd Wong. Odonga went ahead also to add another statement that the 2026 polls will not be an election, what ought to have been, but rather a selection referenda or selection to determine those who want Kagota Museveni, NRM. This is not good. This is not healthy in political science. And he also went ahead to say the whole idea of funding the opposition political parties is to have a strong democracy. The difference between opposition MPs and the ruling party in Ghana at one time was one parliamentary seat. Yeah, that was the only difference. Only one parliamentary seat, that's what the author said. It ensures maximum attendance of session and reasonable checks. Oh, Uganda. That's it. That's what I want to say.